today here we're at my cabinet shop, and we got this really nice setup of grinder that we're gonna try out. We have an older one, so it's making too much noise, so this is a quieter one. And what we like about this, it comes with this adjustable screws. This is for if you're doing chisels, you put your chisel right here to hold it, or knives, whatever you're doing. The other nice thing about this, it has a safety for your eyes protection. It's adjustable as well, you can move it. So that's another nice
sparks.
picture for the sparks on your face won't hit you. So we're gonna put it to the test and see what's the difference between the new one and the old one. As you hear, it's really quiet. How quiet it is. And then we're gonna put the safety. This is our chisel that we So now this is my old grinder. It's a little bit loud because this is 20 years old, believe it or not. So I'm gonna turn it on and you'll hear the difference. So the nice thing about this new grinder that it has some plastic rubbers at the bottom if you take it to the job site. But since we're in a shop and we need it for the shop, we're just gonna remove those and we're gonna screw it to our table, which will be really sturdy because we need it all the time.